Good day, everyone. We are the Group C, and we will discuss about email, Wiki or community forum website, search engine, server in its type, Zoom app, and Google Meet. Let's go!
Good morning. My name is Irene Joy F. Cabaluna. Today, I am going to discuss about the email and when did it start. What is email? Email is full electronic mail, message transmitted and received by digital computers through network. An email system allows computer users on a network to send text, graphics, sounds, and animated images to the other users. Implementer of the first email. Raymond Samuel Tomlinson, April 23, 1941 to March 5, 2016, was an American computer programmer who implemented the first email program on the ARPANET system. The precursor to the internet, in 1971, it was the first system able to send mail between users on different hosts connected to the ARPANET. Invention, email, born April 23, 1941, Amsterdam, died March 5, 2016 in Lincoln. Profession, software developer. Concept of nearly instantaneous communication between machine within an organization provide to be so beneficial and practical that the concept soon began to the spread. However, with the advent of internal network, the protocol for sending message became more complex. Within a network, how would one indicate where the message was intended to go? Ray Tomlinson had the answer. The underscore symbol, which was probably his most enduring contribution to the internet, indicating a destination for a message, became as simple as addressing it. Username underscore name of computer, which is essentially how email has been addressed ever since. Why it is called email, electronic mail. Email is a method of exchanging message mail between people using electronic devices. Email was thus conceived as the electronic digital version of, or a counterpart to the mail at a time when mail meant only physical mail. Hence, E plus mail. Why is email is important? Emails is important method of the business communication that is fast, cheap, accessible, and easily replicated. Using email can greatly benefit business as it provides efficient and effective ways to transmit all kinds of electronic data. Differences between mail and email. Description about email and mail. So, email is electronic mail is a method of exchanging digital message from an author to one or more recipients. Email operates across the internet or other computer network. And mail also is the mail or post system for physical transporting documents and other small packages, as well as term for the postcards and letter and parcel themselves. Address. Email is uses electronic address to or receive message, while mail is physical address is used to send or receive message. Cost very much cheap, while the mail is costlier than email. Time of email are delivered is very short duration from second to minutes. And also, mail is delivery is slow and maybe in a days or so.
Good day, everyone. I am Catherine M. Cabingas, and I will discuss about Wiki or a community forum website. A wiki is a site that is designed for groups of people to quickly capture and share ideas by creating simple pages and linking them together. Uses of Wiki: peer editing of a document, report, essay, paper, creating glossary of terms or collection of resources, bibliography, reading list, brainstorming for a project, shared knowledge based on a topic. Here are 8 examples of wikis that are worth checking out. Number 1, the Wiki Travel. Wiki Travel is a much better source of information. They can roll back unwanted edits, delete pages, lock pages, and generally keep the information on the site accurate and free of spam. Number 2, WikiHow. WikiHow is a popular wiki for anyone who wants to learn how to do something. Number 3, Wikibooks. Wikibooks makes our list of wiki sites thanks to its incredible repository of open content textbooks, annotated text, instructional guides, and manuals. Number 4, Wiktionary. Wiktionary, therefore, is an example of a wiki that can save you money. It is a multilingual dictionary of languages but has a definition for every word supplied in English, regardless of the source. Number 5, Fandom. Fandom is an entire network of wiki sites, the majority of which are dedicated to gaming, TV series, movies, and other entertainment-related content. Number 6, the Wiki Species. Wiki Species is to the 21st century what on the origin of species was to the 19th century. It aims to be a complete catalog of all animalia, plantae, fungi, bacteria, archaea, and protista in the world. Number 7, the Gamepedia. Gamepedia is an umbrella brand that covers hundreds of wikis about games. Some of the most popular wikis in the catalog include Wowpedia, Dota 2 Wiki, No Man's Sky Wiki, and Zelda Wiki. Number 8, the Wikimedia Commons. Wikimedia Commons is a media file repository making available public domain and freely licensed educational media content, images, sound, and video clips to everyone in their own language. Why this wiki is important in education? Educators and teachers are using wikis as an effective teaching and learning tool to enhance the learning process. Wikis are an effective tool for supporting learning across the curriculum and an important component in the evolution of digital citizenship. Wikis are collaborative and help to establish community within a course. A wiki is essentially a web page with an open editing system.
Good day everyone, my name is Mar Andelapos and today I will discuss about search engine. A search engine is a software system designed to carry out web searches. The search for the World Wide Web in a systematic way for a particular information specified in a textual web query. The search results are generally presented in a line of results, often referred to as search engine results pages. There are top 10 most popular search engines in the world, and these are Google, Microsoft Bing, Yahoo, Baidu, Yandex, DuckDuckGo, Ask.com, AOL.com, and Internet Archive. Google is the top on the list, while Internet Archive is at the top 10. Number 1 is Google. According to the statistic from Statistica and StatCounter, Google is dominating the market in all countries of any desktop, mobile, and tablet. What made Google a most popular and trusted search engine is the quality of its search result. Number 2 is Microsoft Bing. The best alternative search engine to Google is Microsoft Bing. Bing's search engine share is between 2.83% and 12.31%. The search engine market share is constantly low even though Bing is default engine on Windows PC. Number 3 is Yahoo. Yahoo is one of the most popular email providers and its web search engine holds third place in the search with an average of 1% market share. Yahoo is also the default search engine
4 Firefox browsers in the United States since 2014. Number 4 is Baidu. Baidu has the global market share between 0.68% and 11.26%. Baidu was founded in 2000 and it is the most popular search engine in China. Number 5 is Yandex. Yandex, Russia's most popular search engine, has a global market share between 0.5% and 1.16%. And number 6 is DuckDuckGo. DuckDuckGo is a search engine market share is around 0.66%. Number 7 is Ask.com. It is based on question and answer, from where the most questions are answered by the users are in form of polls. Number 8 is Ecosia. The main reason Ecosia was created was to help in financing, planting trees and restoration of projects. Number 9 is the AOL.com. The all-time famous AOL is still in the top 10 search engines with a market share that is close to 0.05%. And number 10, lastly, it is the Internet Archive. Archive.org is the Internet Archive search engine. You may find out how a website looks since 1996. And that's all for our top 10 search engine in the world.
Good morning everyone, and I am Chumaika Pihagutin that will be tackle the server and its type. A server is a computer or system that provides resources, data, services, or program to other computers known as client over a network. In theory, whenever computers share resources with client machines, they are considered servers. There are many types of servers, including web servers, mail servers, and virtual servers. An individual system can provide resources and use them for another system at the same time. This means that a device could be both a server and a client at the same time. As I said earlier, there are many types of servers that all perform different functions. Many networks contain one or more of the common server types. First in the list is the file servers that store and distribute files. Multiple clients or users may share files stored on a server. Second on the list is the print server, allow for the management and distribution of printing functionality. Rather than attaching a printer to everyday workstation, a single print server can respond to printing requests from numerous clients. Third in the list is the application server. Run application in the lieu of client computers running applications. Locally, application servers often run resource-intensive applications that are shared by a large number of users. Next is Domain Name System or DNS. Servers are application servers that provide name resolution to client computers by converting names easily understood by human into machine-readable IP addresses. Next is mail servers are a very common type of application server. Mail servers receive email sent to a user and store them until requested by a client on behalf of said user. Next is one of the most abundant types of server in today's market, the web server. It is a very special kind of application server that hosts program and data requested by user across the internet or on intranet. Database server run database application and respond to numerous requests from client. Next is the virtual server that are taking the server world by storm. The virtual server uses the virtual hardware as usual, and the hypervisor passes the actual computation and storage need onto the real hardware beneath, which is shared among all the other virtual servers. Next is a proxy server, acts as an intermediary between a client and a server. often used to isolate either the clients or a server for security purposes. A proxy server takes the request from the client. Monitoring service will respond to requests from monitoring clients, such as those run by network administrators watching the health of the network. And that's the end of my topic. And the next reporter is Miss Christian Marie Pactol.
Good day, everyone. I am Christian Marie Pactol, and we will now discuss about the Zoom app. Zoom is a video conferencing platform that can be used through a computer desktop or on a mobile app and allows users to connect online for video conference meetings, webinars, and live chat. Yes, it is online app. Why Zoom app is popular? Zoom's appeal is that even using the free version of the service, it gives people the capacity to bring together a large number of participants in a one meeting. Only the host is required to set up an account with Zoom, and the access information can be easily distributed to the people who may want to join the meeting. They can copy and paste or just click the link, then they can automatically enter the Zoom meeting. This app allows users to create unlimited meetings with up to 100 participants, although the time limit for group meeting is about to 40 minutes only. How does it work? Zoom allows users to create and join virtual meeting rooms where they can communicate with each other using video and audio. Additionally, features can give participants the ability to share the screen, share files, and use text chat within the meeting group or privately with others in the meeting. Let me share to all of you the basic and the most important part and uses of the Zoom app. In order to join a Zoom meeting, a participant needs to have the Zoom app and enter the meeting link or a meeting ID and a password from the host. When you're done, enter the password or the meeting ID, you can see these things: video, audio, share screen, and chat box, and the participants. First, video and audio. When you joining the Zoom meeting, users are given the option to turn their video off or on, and you will also be able to see other participants if they have their camera enabled. Second, share screen. The share screen functions allow people to share what is on their screen with others in the meeting. Users can do this by clicking or share screen icon on the control panel, the chat box. Chat box function or group chat allows users to interact using text during the meeting. And the participant may also use private chat with others in the group. Meeting hosts can adjust this setting or restrict who participants can chat to. And that's the most important thing knowing about the Zoom app. Hope you clearly understand. Thank you and have a great day.
Hi everyone, I'm Ashley Jean Pebles and I will be the one to discuss the last topic of our report, which is the Google Meet app and its uses. So I guess everyone is familiar with Google Meet app, right? It's one of the most used app for students since the pandemic started. It helped us continue our discussion without meeting in person. Google Meet is a video communication app that allows you to easily create and join meetings with hundreds of people. So its features are where we can meet safely through video meetings, are encrypted in transit, and our array of safety measures are continuously updated for added protection. We can host large meetings, invite up to 250 participants to a meeting. whether they're in the same team or outside of the organization. We can engage in meetings without interrupting through Q&A, polls, and hand raise. We can easy access on any device, share a link, and invite team members to join your conversation with the one click from a web browser or the Google Meet mobile app. We can share screen, present documents, slides, and more during the conference call. We can follow along through live, real-time captions powered by Google Speech to technology. So the pictures below shows the example on what's inside the Google Meet app. There you can see a picture of 4 people with different backgrounds, which means they are meeting virtually. And the other one is we can see that there is a host control where there are buttons such as host management, share their screen, send chat messages, turn on their microphone, or turn on their video. So these buttons are the ones we can see when we use the Google Meet application or during a Google Meet meeting. So Google Meet is a video conference platform developed by Google that revives video telephony service and applications such as Zoom and Microsoft Teams. Launched as an invite-only app in February 2017 and formally launched to the public in March 2017. Its user base has increased by more than 30 times in 2020 due to global COVID-19 pandemic that compelled individuals and organizations to utilize digital communication tools and platforms for remote working. So through Google Meet, we were able to connect school community with video for classes, parent-teacher conference, professional development, and more, included in the Google Workspace for education. We can run classes effectively in a safer learning environment, prevent unwanted guests from entering the meeting with safety locks and automatically blocking anonymous attendees, and check people from the meeting and manage requests join in bulk and meeting for everyone and prevent them from rejoining the call without the host present. So I think everyone already had experience on using this Google Meet application since we are using it on our class, and not just in this class but on other subjects as well. So that's all for our report. Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope that you learned something. Adios!